Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at charlottebristol.com, a site that's been popping up in ads and making people wonder if it's actually legit or just another digital dumpster fire. If you check Trustpilot, the verdict is already in, and it's loud. Customers are screaming scam at the top of their lungs. We're talking fake UK addresses, ignored emails, and orders that vanish faster than your motivation on a Monday morning. Some people report receiving trash-tier quality, while others get absolutely nothing at all, which I suppose is one way to save on closet space. Then there's the heartwarming story of the founders, lifelong friends Kate, Claire, and Fiona. It's a lovely tale, except for the tiny detail that their photos are completely AI-generated. Nothing says trustworthy brand, like a trio of founders who don't actually exist in the physical realm. To make matters worse, they claim to have started in 2017, but the domain records show it was actually registered in September 2025. Apparently, they're so revolutionary they've mastered time travel just to sell you mediocre cardigans. If the time-traveling founders didn't tip you off, the pricing certainly should. They're offering 70% off everything plus extra discounts, because apparently, they're running a charity and hate making a profit. Real brands don't just give away the farm, but scam stores love using these too-good-to-be-true prices to lure in the hopeful. Their product photos are also just a collage of stolen images from across the web. They don't have actual inventory. They just have a very active copy and paste finger. It's essentially a digital museum of things you'll never actually own. Finally, if you have a problem, good luck reaching them. Your only lifeline is a single, lonely email address. No phone number, no office, and definitely no real human beings. It's the ultimate ghosting experience, but with your credit card details involved. Between the fake history, stolen photos, and non-existent support, Charlotte Bristol is waving more red flags than a parade in Beijing. Our advice? Stay far away and keep your money in your pocket. Thanks for watching until the end.